Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, May 12th. Let me go over what we're doing in social studies today. You're going to watch the video, fill out the Google form accurately, and then if you have late work from last week, yesterday, go ahead and hand that in. Take the daily poll. For the discussion today, answer the prompt and then respond to at least 2 students. Your assignment today is called Caesar the Details, and I'll go over that in a second. That is due today, and you are going to hand that in. And then finally, the fun activity for today, which I will also go over because we are having a virtual classroom photo contest. All right, so for the assignment, here it is, Caesar the Details. So you're going to read each paragraph about Caesar's life and achievements, and then use the information in that paragraph to answer the question that follows. All answers should be written in complete sentences and in the boxes provided. Some answers may need 2 or 3 sentences to answer fully. Keep in mind that when you're answering the questions, a lot of these are going to be about Julius Caesar, but don't start your answer to your question with he. It should be started with Julius Caesar. You need to make sure that your answers are specific and include the information from the question. All right, so there are 8 questions that you're going to answer, and then go ahead and hand that in. Once that's done, head over to my virtual classroom. So this is something that I set up that's kind of fun. It's super interactive, so it links you back. There's a video on here to Julius Caesar. See if you can kind of click around and find that. A link to your textbook, a link to PowerSchool, and then a link back to this video as well. The contest that we're doing is the picture of the day. So what you're going to do is enter a picture that you took from today. It can be of anything, but it has to be taken by you and it has to be from today. Email that to me, and then I will randomly pick a picture of the day so that tomorrow when we come to the virtual classroom, your picture or the winning picture will be here on the easel. All right, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure that you hand your assignment in, do the discussion, and participate in our fun activity. All right, have a great day, and I will talk to you later.